All right. Miss Kay, hi Kay.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
All right, so we're gonna give people one more minute, and then you can start, Mr. Lennox. Okay? And one more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good morning. We just wanted to say hi. I'm LaToya, Lennox's mom.
Hi.
Hi, thank you for having him. Hey, family.
How you
I
doing?
didn't know that Kay was going to be here. I heard the name.
One that introduced us.
Nice seeing you.
Hi, Jackson.
You can say good morning to everybody. And when she say start, and we'll say good morning again.
Hi, Jackson.
Good morning.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, wow. We got a full house. That's nice.
Can you hear us?
Yes, we can.
See Jackson?
Hello.
Oh.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah. Everyone, that is Lennox. Everyone say good morning.
That's a dog. You have a dog?
There are more
You
people.
got a dog?
Nicholas, come here.
It's supposed to be.
Nicholas,
Nicholas.
here.
Hey, guys.
Two friends. Let's see. Let's plug this in so you don't lose.
Hello.
There you go.
Mommy, come on.
Good morning, Nicholas.
Good morning, Uncle.
How are you?
Good.
Did you say good morning to everyone else? Miss Kay, Jackson, Avery, and Mr. Lennox? Say good morning.
Hi. Good morning, Next.
Okay, guys, we are going to start. I am going to mute everybody's lines that only Lennox is talking. Today we have a very special guest. His name is Lennox Farley. He is the author of a book called The Magic Microwave. So, Lennox, this is our class. Take it away.
Good morning. Thank you, Miss Carter, for inviting me to your class. I am the original author and illustrator of The Magic Microwave, and I'm 8 years old in 3rd grade. The Magic Kid author presents The Magic Microwave, written by Lennox Farley, illustrated by Sammy Yoon. Last week, I was out shopping with my mom, and we saw a microwave in the store. The salesperson said it has magic powers. I said, that is cool. I want to buy it. My mom laughed because she did not believe him, but we needed a microwave, so we brought it home. For dinner, Mom cooked bibimbap. It is a Korean dish made with rice, beef, vegetables, and topped with a fried egg. When Mom put it in the microwave, I vanished to South Korea. I saw lots of Korean palaces and Koreans dressed in hanboks. I put on a hanbok and ate a tall Korean ice cream. After exploring, I wanted to go home. I remember the salesperson saying, if you want to go home, say the word home. I closed my eyes and yelled the word home. When I opened my eyes, I was back in my room in New York. The next night, Mom put tacos in the microwave. I vanished again, but this time I went to Mexico. I ate foods like tacos and burritos. Tacos and burritos are made with flour or corn tortillas and can be stuffed with different meats, vegetables, and cheese. I wore a sombrero and saw a Mexican bullfight. The bullfight was fun but a little scary, so I was ready to go back home. I closed my eyes and yelled the word home. When I opened my eyes, I was safe in my bed. The next morning, Mom made pancakes for breakfast. When she put the Canadian maple syrup in the microwave, you know what happened next? You guessed it. I went to Canada. The first thing I did was go ice skating on the Rideau Canal. In the winter, the canal freezes over and transforms into the world's largest outdoor skating rink. While skating, I ate beaver tails. I know what you are thinking. It is not the actual animal's tail. It's called a beaver tail because of the shape. It tastes just like cake. Next to the beaver tail stand, I saw someone pouring maple syrup snow candy on ice. Maple syrup on ice. I tried the candy and it was sweet and yummy. After spending some time on the ice rink, I became cold and ready to go home. I yelled the word home. I was back in my warm bed just in time to get some sleep before school the next day. When I came home from school, Mom had jollof rice that was brought over from our neighbors from Lome, Togo. Jollof rice is cooked with tomatoes and onions. Sometimes meat is added. When Mom warmed up the rice in the microwave, I went to Africa. The roads were made of dirt. A lot of people had on bright colors and rode on motorcycles. Nature there was beautiful. I saw big trees, tall waterfalls, and a lot of mountains. There were also lots of animals too. I saw zebras, monkeys, and elephants in the savannah. That night, I went to a party. They were using drums and dancing around a fire. At the party, I ate more jollof. This time, I ate it with fufu. Fufu is popular in West African countries. It is a dough made by using a special flour, green plantains, and yams. While enjoying the music and food, the night sky became darker. I became afraid of the dark and ready to go, and was ready to go home. So I yelled the word home. The next day was Sunday, and Mom made her yummy peach pie for dessert. I like to eat my pie warm with vanilla ice cream. When Mom put the pie in the microwave, I vanished to my Gram's house in Georgia. Georgia is called the Peach State because peaches grow there. Gram said, "How did you get here so fast?" I told her the magic microwave brought me here. I love Gram's house because we play together and I play with her dogs, Max and Abby. This time I did not wish to go home. The end. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions? Thank you.
Good job, Mr. Lennox. Good job.
Thank you.
Do we have any questions for Mr. Lennox? Anybody?
Abigail has a question. She said you did a good job. She's 7 years old. And she said, how did you get those words on the paper and draw those pictures? She wants to know, did you draw those pictures?
I drew the first pictures and the words. I wrote all the words. And I won for the PBS contest. I won the book for the PBS contest. I wrote the book for the PBS contest.
Good job. You had a lot of rough drafts to go through?
Yes. I'll show you. Wait just a second. This was the original drawing.
Ooh, that's nice.
Honestly, I understand. It's hard getting actual books.
This was the first page. This was the first page.
Wow.
And the illustrator redid it.
Oh, okay. That's nice.
This is the one I did for Korea.
This is the one I did for Korea. I didn't see it. And this is
Like a ninja.
This is the one that the illustrator did. So she redrew the same picture.
Do you like the way she redrew your pictures, or do you think it could have been better?
I like it.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Coco.
Nicholas,
Hi, Nicholas. Do you have any
turn the volume back up.
for the author? Do you have any questions
Thank
for the
you.
author?
There. Nicholas, pay attention.
So, Mr. Lennox, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Hey, Nicholas. If the parents wanted to bring this book into their homes for their children, how would they do that?
You can visit my Instagram page or my Facebook page.
Hey,
Good author.
Hey.
Nicholas, don't interrupt.
And
Hey.
what is that? Hey, Nicholas.
Hey.
Hey. So,
It's all one word. Magic Kid Author.
You are a smart kid.
Thank you.
I gotta tell you something. Mom. Use your Facebook and Instagram page.
okay, wait. You're going to use
My Instagram and my Facebook page is Magic Kid Author. All
Nicholas,
one word.
medicine.
Magic Kid Author. All one word.
Somebody.
What do you like?
Okay, so for the Instagram and Facebook, it's all one word. Magic Kid Author, correct?
Yes.
All right. I have put that in the comments so
When
that
you go on Facebook, you'll see my name, Lennox Farley.
nice. Okay. So in the comments, parents, I have put Mr. Farley's Instagram and Facebook name inside the comments. I have also included the information just in case you want to purchase a book. We have the price and the modes of payment for the Magic Microwave. Do we have any other questions for Mr. Farley and or his mom? Is that right, Mom?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for inviting him to your class. He enjoyed reading to them today.
Oh, thank you so much for making time in
You're
your
welcome.
book schedule.
Nice
Welcome.
meeting you.
What would you
Thank you for the support.
Yes, Avery, what
Yeah,
would you like to
thanks.
ask? Okay, guys, we're gonna let Mr. Farley go because he has other things to, other books, other classes.
I got schoolwork to do too.
Yeah, can we all say thank you? Thank you.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Tell them bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
We're not.
We're not done.
Bye, Miss Coco.
Hi.
Hi. How are you guys doing? You're doing good? Hi, Cynthia. Really?
My name's Ava.
You guys get to see each other? Hi. Look at Jackson. Hi, Jackson. Hi, Madison. Hi, Hannah. Nicholas is in there too. Hey, Nicholas. Hi, Jackson. Okay, guys, I'm praying that you guys enjoy that. What did you enjoy most about the book?
The fact that he went to other places.
The fact that he went to other places?
Uh-huh.
Right? What did you enjoy, Hannah, about the book? Hannah Banana? Jackson, what did you enjoy about the book? Okay, so it just seems like you guys just want to be friends.
I'm gonna love you with the bell. Now.
Really? Oh, look at you. Yes, how are you?
Yeah, Jackson.
That's Jackson. That's Avery. Say hi, Avery. Oh, Maddie. Hi, Maddie.
I'm going.
Hi, Jack.
I need
Jack.
me.
Okay, guys, I'm going to turn it off now. I will talk to you later, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Bye, everybody. Goodbye, Nicholas. Bye to Avery.
Wait, tell them bye-bye.
And Hannah.
Guys, hi.
And
Bye-bye.
all right.
Bye. I'll see you later, Jackson.
I can't do it.
All right.
Where?
Right there.
You see your friends? Oh my goodness. So again, parents, all the information is inside the chat if you need it. Yeah, awesome experience for them. Bye, guys.